Data shows that the median lifespan for EVs is about 18.4 years. That's a full year and a half more than diesel cars and only slightly less than gasoline ones. But even with similar lifespans, the EVs had higher mileage, about 13,000 kilometers more than the gasoline ones.
For years, people said electric cars wouldn't last, that the batteries would die long before the engines of old-school gas cars. But that myth is quickly fading. Today's electric cars are not only going farther on a single charge, they're lasting longer overall. Fewer moving parts, smarter cooling systems, and high-mileage EV owners are proving it. So, let's look at 12 electric cars that don't just go the distance on the road. They outlive the gas cars they replaced. Number 12. Tesla Model 3. When the Tesla Model 3 launched, it didn't just disrupt the car market, it redefined longevity in the EV world. Many drivers doubted that a battery-powered sedan could handle daily commutes for years without expensive replacements. But real-world data now tells a different story. Owners have clocked over 300,000 miles on original batteries, and some taxis in Europe have surpassed 400,000 miles with less than 10% degradation. The secret lies in Tesla's battery management system. Unlike older EVs that struggled with heat buildup and uneven charging, Tesla's liquid cooling system keeps every cell at a balanced temperature. That means the battery wears down slower, extending life far beyond expectations. Even more impressive is Tesla's over-the-air software updates, constant tweaks that optimize charging rates, efficiency, and regenerative braking. These small improvements compound over time, translating to better performance and longer system health. Then there's the drivetrain. Electric motors have just a fraction of the moving parts compared to a gas engine. No oil changes, no timing belts, no spark plugs. Tesla's motor bearings and inverters are built for endurance, designed to spin hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal friction. Maintenance mostly comes down to tires and brake fluid. And thanks to regenerative braking, even the brakes last longer. In the long run, a Model 3 owner will likely spend less than half what a comparable gas sedan would cost to maintain. And with Tesla's proven battery chemistry, it's entirely possible for a Model 3 bought today to still be running strong well into the 2030s, something no gas car in its class can confidently claim. Number 11. Hyundai Ioniq 6. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 may look like a sleek, futuristic cruiser, but beneath its aerodynamic design lies one of the most durable electric platforms on the market today. Built on Hyundai's advanced eGMP architecture, the same backbone used for Kia's EV6, the Ioniq 6 was engineered from the ground up for long-term efficiency and reliability. And that's exactly what helps it outlast most gas cars in its class. Hyundai spent years perfecting battery temperature management, one of the key factors that determine EV longevity. The Ioniq 6 uses an intelligent liquid cooling system that constantly regulates heat across every battery module. This prevents cell degradation, the silent killer of most early electric cars. With this system, the Ioniq 6 can retain over 90% of its battery capacity even after 200,000 miles, something unheard of a decade ago. Its 800-volt electrical system also plays a big role in preserving lifespan. By moving energy more efficiently and reducing heat during fast charging, the battery and power electronics experience less strain over time. And because the Ioniq 6 supports ultra-fast DC charging, it can go from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, meaning less time plugged in and fewer heat cycles that wear the cells down. Maintenance is nearly non-existent compared to gas cars. There's no oil, transmission, or exhaust system to worry about. The motors use sealed bearings that last for hundreds of thousands of miles, and regenerative braking dramatically reduces wear on brake pads. Hyundai even backs its battery with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, a strong signal of confidence in its durability. Add to that its slippery drag coefficient of just 0.21, which reduces aerodynamic stress and helps it run cooler and more efficiently. The Ioniq 6 isn't just built to perform, it's built to last, quietly proving that the future of automotive longevity might just be electric. Number 10. Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt EV may have left production, but its legacy as one of the longest-lasting electric cars ever built is hard to ignore. For many, it was the car that made EV ownership truly practical. Not just affordable up front, but economical to maintain for hundreds of thousands of miles. Despite its small footprint, the Bolt's engineering has proven to be remarkably tough and efficient. One of the biggest reasons for its longevity is its simple yet robust design. The Bolt uses a single permanent magnet motor paired with an advanced lithium-ion battery pack developed by LG Chem. These battery cells are known for their consistency and low degradation rate, even after years of daily charging. Real-world owners have reported crossing 250,000 miles with less than 10% battery loss, putting it in the same league as far more expensive Teslas. Its compact structure also contributes to durability. With fewer components, less heat generation, and no transmission or oil-dependent systems, the Bolt's drivetrain suffers far less mechanical fatigue than gas-powered counterparts. The regenerative braking system not only recovers energy efficiently, but also reduces brake wear dramatically. Many owners have driven over 100,000 miles without ever needing to replace brake pads. Chevrolet's later software updates also improved the Bolt's battery management system, fine-tuning charging profiles and temperature control. This ensures even older Bolts stay stable and reliable as the years pass. And while GM has since moved on to its Ultium platform, the Bolt's underlying technology remains one of the most battle-tested EV systems ever sold in the US. When it comes to cost of ownership, the Bolt EV is in a league of its own. With virtually no scheduled maintenance beyond tire rotations and cabin air filters, it's no wonder fleet operators and city commuters still hold on to them. In a world where gas engines fade after 150,000 miles, the Bolt quietly keeps rolling. Proof that great engineering can outlast even the model itself. Number 9. Nissan Leaf, 2023 to present. The Nissan Leaf holds a special place in electric car history. It was the EV that brought electric mobility to the masses. Early models faced criticism for limited range and battery degradation, but Nissan took those lessons seriously. The newer generations, especially the 2023 and later models, have transformed the Leaf into one of the most reliable and long-lasting EVs you can own. The key improvement lies in its battery chemistry and thermal management. Earlier, Leafs relied on passive air cooling, which struggled in hot climates and led to faster degradation. But the new generation uses liquid-cooled battery packs, which maintain optimal temperature during both charging and driving. This advancement alone dramatically extends battery life. Many newer Leafs are expected to retain up to 90% of their original capacity even after 200,000 miles. The drivetrain is equally durable, The Leaf's electric motor has no belts, pistons, or exhaust systems to wear out. Nissan's e-pedal system, which allows one-pedal driving, further reduces strain on the brakes, translating to lower long-term maintenance. Most owners report almost no mechanical issues even after years of daily use, apart from regular tire replacements. Another factor contributing to its longevity is Nissan's global testing and refinement. The Leaf has been sold in over 50 markets worldwide, surviving extreme weather conditions from snowy Norway to scorching Arizona. That means every component, from seals to cooling systems, has been designed to handle tough environments over time. Nissan also backs its batteries with an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty, and real-world results show the brand's confidence is well-founded. While early adopters might remember the Leaf's growing pains, the latest generation stands as a testament to evolution through experience. In short, the modern Leaf is quiet, efficient, and built to last. It's not just a commuter car anymore, it's a long-haul survivor, showing that electric vehicles can age gracefully, even without the roar of an engine. Number 8. Kia EV6. The Kia EV6 isn't just one of the best-looking electric crossovers on the road. It's one of the most durable EVs ever engineered. Built on the same eGMP platform that underpins Hyundai's Ioniq 6 and Genesis GV60, the EV6 combines advanced thermal management, strong battery chemistry, and outstanding build quality to ensure it goes the distance, literally and figuratively. At the heart of its longevity is Kia's state-of-the-art 800-volt architecture. This system allows for ultra-fast charging without putting excessive heat stress on the battery cells. Lower heat means slower degradation, and that translates to a much longer usable lifespan. Real-world testing and early owner data show that the EV6 can retain over 90% of its battery capacity after several years of use, even in warmer climates. Kia also equipped the EV6 with a highly efficient liquid cooling system that keeps temperatures balanced across all modules, even during repeated DC fast charging. The system's thermal control precision rivals what you'd find in high-end luxury EVs. And because the EV6's regenerative braking system handles a large portion of deceleration, the physical brake components wear down incredibly slowly. Some owners report going over 100,000 miles before needing new pads. The eGMP platform itself is built to last. It's a rigid structure made from ultra-high-strength steel, reducing flex and vibrations that can wear down suspension and drivetrain components over time. The EV6's motors and inverters are also sealed against dust and moisture, ensuring long-term reliability even in harsh conditions. Kia's confidence in the EV6's durability is reflected in its industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, covering both the powertrain and the battery. Few automakers offer that level of protection, especially in the EV market. Combine that with software updates that continuously optimize charging behavior and battery health. And the EV6 isn't just a future-proof car. It's a vehicle designed to last longer than the gas SUVs it's quietly replacing. Number 7. BMW i4. The BMW i4 blends classic German engineering with next-generation electric reliability. And that's a combination built for endurance. Where many early EVs were designed like tech gadgets, BMW approached the i4 like a long-term driver's car. Solid construction, efficient thermal management, and robust drivetrain materials that can endure hundreds of thousands of miles. At the center of the i4's durability is BMW's fifth-generation eDrive technology. Both the motor and power electronics are integrated into a compact sealed housing that minimizes points of failure. With no reliance on rare earth magnets and a simpler rotor design, the i4's motor suffers almost no mechanical wear. Owners can expect consistent performance even after years of heavy use, something gas-powered 3 Series sedans could rarely promise without costly maintenance. Battery longevity is another strength. The i4's liquid-cooled, high-density lithium-ion battery pack features a sophisticated temperature control system that maintains thermal stability, whether you're fast charging in summer heat or driving through freezing winters. Each module is monitored independently to balance load and temperature, which dramatically reduces long-term degradation. Then there's BMW's structural integrity, something the brand has perfected over decades. The i4's chassis, adapted from the 4 Series Grand Coupe, provides exceptional rigidity that protects the battery and drivetrain from vibrations and shocks that typically shorten component life. Even interior components, from switchgear to seats, are built with durability in mind. BMW's reputation for lasting cabins carries over fully to its electric models. Regenerative braking also plays a role in extending longevity. By relying heavily on motor braking, the i4's brake system experiences minimal friction wear, meaning pads and rotors can last far longer than in any comparable gas-powered car. Add to that BMW's 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty, and you have a luxury EV designed not just for comfort and performance, but for time. The i4 may be quiet, but its engineering speaks volumes about how electric cars can be built to last decades, not just years. Number 6. Polestar 2. The Polestar 2 may not have the global fame of Tesla, but it has quietly earned a reputation as one of the toughest and most durable EVs on the road. Born from Volvo's engineering DNA, it carries the same Scandinavian obsession with safety, quality, and longevity, the kind that makes cars last for generations. And when that philosophy meets modern EV design, the result is a machine built to endure. At the heart of the Polestar 2's longevity is its Volvo-engineered battery and platform. The car uses a highly durable 78 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion pack with advanced liquid cooling. Each cell is constantly temperature managed to prevent thermal stress, even during extended highway driving or DC fast charging. This balance allows the Polestar 2 to maintain exceptional long-term battery health, with projections suggesting it could easily exceed 300,000 miles before losing 20% of capacity. The dual-motor setup is built for endurance, too. Using permanent magnet synchronous motors designed for high torque at low RPMs, the Polestar 2 avoids the high friction and heat that wear down mechanical components over time. These motors are sealed units, no belts, pulleys, or fluids to replace, which makes them virtually maintenance-free. Another major contributor to its longevity is its rigid chassis construction. Built using Volvo's CMA platform, the Polestar 2's body has excellent torsional rigidity, minimizing long-term stress on joints, suspension, and battery mounts. That's the same safety-first architecture that helps Volvo vehicles survive collisions. And in day-to-day use, it translates into a car that feels solid even after years on the road. Even interior longevity is part of the equation. Polestar's use of high-quality vegan materials, Recycled aluminum and soft-touch textiles means the cabin wears gracefully over time, avoiding the cracking plastics and squeaks that plague cheaper cars. Combine this with over-the-air software updates that continuously optimize power management and regenerative braking, and the Polestar 2 becomes one of the most future-proof EVs on the market. It's an electric car made not just for the next few years, but for the next generation of drivers who value quality over trends. Number 5. Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y has quickly become the world's best-selling electric vehicle. And not just because of its tech and performance. It's because this compact SUV has proven to be one of the longest-lasting EVs ever built. Designed with endurance and simplicity in mind, the Model Y borrows heavily from the proven reliability of the Model 3, but adds tougher construction, better thermal control, and more robust components suited for long-term use. At its core, the Model Y's battery and motor system are what make it nearly indestructible. Real-world owners have documented vehicles surpassing 400,000 miles on their original batteries with minimal degradation, often less than 10%. Tesla's proprietary battery management system, BMS, constantly adjusts temperature, charge rates, and power output to keep cells balanced and prevent wear. This intelligent regulation is one of the biggest reasons Tesla batteries last longer than nearly any competitors. The drive units in the Model Y are sealed systems with no belts, transmission fluids, or exhaust components. These electric motors are designed to spin efficiently for hundreds of thousands of miles with almost zero internal friction. The result? A drivetrain that can outlive most gas SUVs without ever needing major servicing. Even the braking system benefits from Tesla's aggressive regenerative braking setup, which drastically reduces brake pad usage, with some drivers going well past 150,000 miles on their original set. Tesla's software updates also play a huge role in its long-term performance. Over-the-air improvements continually fine-tune battery efficiency, thermal control, and even suspension response. Essentially, the Model Y gets smarter and more efficient the longer you own it. Another reason for its longevity is build simplicity. Fewer mechanical parts mean fewer potential failures. Add in Tesla's structural battery pack that doubles as a chassis component, and you have a vehicle engineered to stay rigid, quiet, and solid for decades. When you combine real-world data, software evolution, and Tesla's obsessive focus on battery life, the Model Y stands out as a modern SUV that could easily reach 500,000 miles before showing real fatigue, something almost no gas-powered crossover can boast. Number 4. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E isn't just Ford's big leap into the EV future. It's a statement that electric cars can be every bit as durable as their gas-powered ancestors. Despite carrying the Mustang badge, this is a very different kind of beast. One designed not for weekend thrills alone, but for long-term dependability. Underneath its stylish bodywork lies a battery system and drivetrain built to handle the test of time. Ford's engineers subjected the Mach-E to over 1 million miles of durability testing before launch, simulating extreme heat, cold, and high-mileage wear cycles. The result is an EV that can withstand conditions that would cripple many traditional engines. Its battery packs use advanced liquid cooling systems that maintain a narrow thermal window, keeping cells healthy over hundreds of thousands of miles. Real-world owners report almost no degradation after years of daily driving, And Ford backs that confidence with an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the battery and electric drivetrain. The Mach-E's permanent magnet motors are sealed for life and designed with high-grade materials that resist heat and wear. Because there's no transmission fluid, clutch, or exhaust system, the overall number of moving parts is drastically reduced compared to gas vehicles. This simplicity not only cuts maintenance costs, but extends lifespan dramatically. Even the regenerative braking system helps, reducing brake wear by as much as 70%, according to Ford's internal tests. Structurally, the Mach-E was engineered for endurance. The battery pack is integrated into a reinforced frame, adding rigidity and crash protection while minimizing flex over time. Combined with high-quality suspension components and corrosion-resistant underbody coatings, this car is built to survive both long commutes and harsh weather. Another often overlooked feature that adds to its longevity is Ford's over-the-air update system, similar to Tesla's. Software refinements improve efficiency, charging management, and system performance as the car ages, ensuring the Mach-E keeps getting better over time rather than worse. In short, the Mustang Mach-E may wear a new kind of badge, but its old-school Ford durability remains. It's not just a quick electric crossover. It's proof that Detroit muscle can evolve into something built to last well into the EV era. Number 3. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T isn't just an electric truck. It's a durability experiment on wheels. Designed to conquer mud, snow, sand, and everything in between, this EV pickup is built with one mission in mind: to outlast anything with a tailpipe. Rivian didn't just want a truck that could go off-road. They engineered one that could survive decades of hard use. And so far, early data and owner experiences show they succeeded. At the core of the R1T's longevity is its rugged battery design. Each pack is built within an aluminum and carbon fiber casing, fully sealed against water and dust intrusion. It's been tested for over 1 million miles of simulated endurance and subjected to temperatures ranging from Arctic cold to desert heat. The result is a battery that not only holds charge over time, but can physically withstand brutal conditions most gas trucks never face. The R1T's quad-motor drivetrain, one motor per wheel, offers both redundancy and durability. Even if one motor experiences issues, the others can carry the load, a feature no combustion engine can replicate. Each motor is an independent sealed unit designed for off-road torque delivery with minimal maintenance. With no differential gears, axles, or transfer cases to service, the system eliminates several major wear points that traditionally limit truck longevity. Rivian also focused heavily on repairability and modularity. The battery pack, motors, and suspension components are all modular, meaning if one section wears out decades from now, it can be replaced without scrapping the entire vehicle. This modular engineering makes the R1T one of the most future-proof vehicles ever built. The chassis and suspension tell a similar story. Rivian's adaptive air suspension adjusts to terrain while minimizing long-term mechanical strain, and the reinforced skateboard frame is rated for extreme torsional rigidity. It's built like a tank, but drives like a luxury SUV. Even small details like waterproof connectors, sealed charging ports, and over-the-air diagnostics add to the truck's reliability. Rivian designed the R1T to be self-monitoring, constantly adjusting for balance, wear, and efficiency as it ages. This is more than just a pickup. It's an endurance machine. The R1T shows that the EV future isn't fragile. It's built tougher than steel, ready to outlive not just gas trucks, but perhaps their owners too. Number 2. Mercedes EQS. The Mercedes EQS is what happens when over a century of German engineering meets the modern electric age. A luxury flagship designed not just to pamper its passengers, but to outlast nearly any gas-powered rival on the road. Every inch of this car was built for endurance, from its battery chemistry to its structural integrity. Mercedes didn't just want an EV that was fast or quiet. They wanted one that could last decades while maintaining the same refined experience year after year. At the heart of the EQS's longevity is its massive 108 kilowatt-hour battery pack, engineered with one of the most advanced liquid cooling systems in the industry. Every module is temperature regulated through a closed-loop thermal circuit that ensures consistent cooling and heating regardless of driving conditions. This precision prevents cell degradation, keeping performance and range steady even after years of fast charging and heavy use. Mercedes's internal testing shows these batteries can retain over 90% capacity after 250,000 miles, far surpassing what most combustion engines manage before needing major service. The EQS's powertrain uses dual permanently excited synchronous motors with almost no moving parts. These motors are hermetically sealed, meaning no exposure to dirt, dust, or moisture. Combined with the absence of gears, spark plugs, or exhaust systems, the EQS can operate for hundreds of thousands of miles with almost no mechanical wear. The result? Whisper-quiet operation that feels brand new even after years on the road. Mercedes also invested heavily in build quality and materials. The body uses high-strength aluminum and steel alloys that resist corrosion, and the car's underbody panels are fully enclosed to reduce exposure to the elements. Even the suspension and steering systems use corrosion-proof components, ensuring longevity in harsh climates. And then there's the software side. The EQS receives continuous over-the-air updates that refine efficiency, range, and even motor response, meaning it improves with time instead of deteriorating. Inside, the materials, from the hyperscreen to the seat foam, are designed to retain their appearance and feel well past typical automotive lifespans. It's not just a luxury sedan, it's a long-term investment in comfort and technology. The EQS proves that electric doesn't just mean efficient, it can mean everlasting. Number 1. Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S didn't just start the modern EV revolution. It redefined what long-lasting means in the automotive world. More than a decade after its debut, early Model S cars are still racking up astonishing mileage numbers, some surpassing 500,000 miles on original batteries and motors. That kind of endurance used to be the realm of diesel taxis and million-mile Mercedes diesels. Now, it belongs to a fully electric luxury sedan. What makes the Model S so durable is the combination of simplicity and software. With only a few dozen moving parts in its entire drivetrain, compared to thousands in a gas engine, there's simply less to wear out. The electric motors are sealed units with near-zero internal friction, and Tesla's continuous lubrication and cooling systems keep them running smoothly for years without intervention. The Battery Management System, BMS, is another secret weapon. Tesla's algorithm constantly monitors temperature, voltage, and charge cycles in real time, optimizing energy flow to prevent the micro-damage that slowly kills lesser batteries. Many owners who charge sensibly and avoid full discharges report battery degradation as low as 5 to 8%, even after 300,000 miles. Tesla also engineered the drive units for the long haul. Early replacements taught the company valuable lessons, and newer versions are now capable of enduring high loads without bearing or rotor issues. This is why the Model S is regularly used in endurance testing by fleet operators, taxis, and private owners pushing their cars past 500,000 miles. Its structural design also plays a huge part. The Model S uses a rigid aluminum frame with the battery pack acting as a stress-bearing member. This not only improves crash safety, but keeps the chassis solid and vibration-free as the miles pile on. Even the suspension components and underbody protection are designed to withstand years of abuse, from potholes to winter salt. And Tesla hasn't stopped improving the car. Over-the-air updates continuously refine efficiency, extend range, and improve cooling behavior. That means a Model S bought today could actually perform better 5 years from now. Combine that with the world's most robust supercharger network and a global reputation for longevity, and you have an EV that can outlive not just its gas-powered competitors, but possibly the next few generations of cars altogether. The Model S isn't just an electric car. It's a testament to what happens when simplicity, software, and engineering meet perfection. Electric cars were once dismissed as disposable tech, but time has proven otherwise. From the affordable Chevy Bolt to the luxury Tesla Model S, these 12 EVs have shown that fewer moving parts, advanced cooling systems, and constant software evolution can make a car last far beyond its gas-powered rivals. Maintenance is low, performance stays sharp, and reliability keeps improving with every charge. The future isn't just electric, it's long-lasting. So, which of these EVs do you think will still be running strong in 2040? Let us know in the comments below.